Guys, it's your girls, Azaria plus A, which 7 plus S, and today is about to be a special video, y'all. We cannot be live telling what these videos are about. We're making some slime in the library, so it's really challenging. I hope you like the part A girls out video. This is kind of a part of the part A, but comment below if you do want us to make another part video. We're actually going to swim tomorrow in the mall. Yes. So you comment below, you better stay tuned, and you better comment if you want to do that girls out so you can stay with us. Guys, we'll be back with you when we get the stuff. Okay guys, this is my okay. So guys, this is kinda half of part girls night, so yeah. But don't forget, comment below if we're doing another part day tomorrow. Okay, this is my bag for the slime today. And this is my bag. Okay, cool. I gotta take my sweatshirt off. I will be back when I am done. But guys, we are sharing with the stuff I got over here. We are sharing, so don't just think that I'm using this bag and she's not getting my stuff. We're gonna be sharing what we got in the bags, and it's we in different bags because we need to put the whole thing in the same bag in this bowl. This bag is already like a little bit, cut it kind of. So yeah. Okay, so let's start making slime. First, we got everything that we got. Okay, so I got this glue, tomato, okay, shaving cream, and then mixing tool. I got some produce to make it smell good, some lotion, some glue, wait, container, and I gotta wash ready now. Nail polish, some makeup on my watch, lotion, and then okay. Glue, I'm gonna pour it in. Mine's like water. I know. She put water in her glue before we came here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glue in. Her slime's probably gonna be bigger because she has water plus shaving cream. But she has to make it bigger anyway because definitely. It looks like milk. It looks like milk. Hers is milk. This is so crazy. I want to see the librarians. I'm so freaking scared. We'll be back with you when I post it. Oh, I'm so. This just looks like milk. Ew. I know. You got all that glue. I know. That glue's about to be good. Mine is just watery like that. It's comedy. Oh, hurry up. Yeah. Dang, girl. Okay. The librarian's over there. We'll show you the library after we're probably done with this one. We might. Next, yeah, I'm gonna stir that up. We like stirring glue for some reason. Yeah, stir that shit. Oh, it's still going. Hers is like liquidy because she has water. Yeah, so it's like milk in hers. We're going to start adding the foam in her. Okay, now we're gonna add we're gonna add a color. Oh yeah, wait, what? I'm gonna add some nail polish in mine because this is all I had. I did not have no food coloring. Hey, it's pretty. Oh my god, it's pretty. I just want to like polishing. I'm putting like that much of polishing. Oh, I like your color now. It's pretty. Thank you, girl. Yeah, because I don't like this spoon like it. Oh yeah, definitely. It's polishing. It smells good. It looks beautiful, girl. Yeah, mine's like this because you have water in yours. You definitely put water. More? No. Yours it look like it's already coming slime. I know. But ready to add the next thing, which is some foam. That's my color. About to go add some foam in it. Okay. Oh shoot. This is really cool foam. We should go get some more and get some more after this. Yeah. Okay, next we got some more foam. Okay. Hurry up. Hey, what? Did you say your stuff out? No, I didn't mix mine. I mixed mine a little bit though. Okay, I'm mixing right now. I'm scared it might go overboard. You think so? Yeah, it looks overboard. You look, you have a big container, shoot.
No, should we start adding some shaving cream?
Wait, I gotta finish.
Mine's look fluffy, like it ain't right. Mine's is not that close. I don't care. This is what's fun. I just want my phone to be looking big.
I gotta finish mixing my machine. Don't wait.
Oh no, I'm just shaking it up, girl.
Fine.
Then should we go ahead and start making our smell good?
That can make. I want to see that activate.
It feels like it did on everything. I'm not even trying. It feels like it got hit.
I gotta
No,
finish
I
mixing
thought it was
mine.
that one step.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. When I mix it up, it looks like that.
Sorry, we gotta make sure we're doing this at the same time. So I'm saying, add this and that. Yeah, you ready? We're just making slime. What'd you put in the tat already yet?
No, I didn't. I had to
come
mix
on.
the foam and stuff up. Wait, I'm gonna add. I'm not. I don't know, like shaving cream. Once this thing's too big, can you add some of this? I'm gonna add away so they can see.
Some of this.
Okay, I'm gonna add some lotion and make it stretchy.
So you guys see that we have glue bottles.
Oh, it's like. Oh, you don't have to use for when you put shaving cream, you don't have to add activator in it, right? Shaving cream makes it come up kind of.
Just go on, girl. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Shaving cream now.
No, did you add everything? Okay.
Okay, no. Now I'm gonna add some lip gloss.
I'm
Actually.
not lip gloss, girl. No.
Fine. Shaving cream, guys. Now.
Yeah, don't use that much. My turn.
God, I look so sad because we put shaving cream in it. Shoot.
Come on. Yeah. Cold, y'all. I'm scared as heck. Okay, I want mine to say, dang, is that enough time? We gotta add a little bit then. Look, one. Okay. Then should we start adding the time?
Yes.
Okay.
Do we have anything though? Do you get add everything?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we did.
Just put them on your spoon. Yours is already making some. You're lucky. We don't want to use that much. I'm gonna be mad if mine don't make some.
You make some?
You don't feel like it's making some.
Is it,
No, wait. Don't put them. It's making some. Okay, good. You sure? Yeah, I feel that's what it feels like. Okay, you start stirring yours up.
I already know mine makes some look.
Oh, sorry. Can I get a little bit good? No, sorry. No. Yours is making some.
That's why I don't want to
chill
put.
with it. It's taking very long. Okay. So you start adding a little bit more.
I use some.
No, wait. I want some on my spoon. There.